Hi students, today I am going to discuss the topic is trigonometry. Who was invented trigonometry, and also what is the definition of trigonometry and what is the uses of trigonometry. Trigonometry was first discovered by Hipparchus. He was a great mathematician and also he was an astrologer, geographer. So now, what is the use of trigonometry? Uses. In our real life, to measure the height of building or mountain, trigonometry used in criminology and marine biology. And also it is used in oceanography, in calculating the height of tides on oceans, and also we can use flight engineering, physics, astrology, astrography, and even in the investigation of criminal scenes. So now we can observe to measure the height of building and again mountain, particular building and again mountains. Trigonometry used in criminology and marine biology. It is also used in oceanography in calculating the height of tides on the oceans. So now the definition of trigonometry. Now the definition of trigonometry. Here trigonometry is the, can split three parts: trigon, metron. First of all, trigonometry is the branch of mathematics. Here tri means three, gon means metron, measurements. Here trigonometry is the word coming from Greek word, three Greek words: tri, gon, metron. Tri means three, gon means sides, metron means measurements. Which type of measurements? It is deals with two. One is angles and another one is sides. So now first of all, Shall we take one right angle triangle? One right angle triangle. Let us take this is A, this is B, this is C. ABC is a one right angle triangle. This is take it as 90 degrees and this is the angle theta. Angle theta. Here AB is nothing but base and this is hypotenuse. This is the opposite side. So now when the angle is exact 90 degrees is exactly opposite to this BC side, we can write as this is one hypotenuse. And again base is side. Base is nothing but here. When the angle is adjacent to the side angle B, this is adjacent side of the angle theta. And again this side AC is nothing but when angle theta is exactly opposite to AC, we can write as opposite side to the angle theta. So now trigonometric ratios. What is the meaning of here ratio? We have 6 trigonometric ratios. One is sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, and again cot. 6 trigonometric ratios. And again ratio means what? Trigonometric ratio. Ratio is here. It is the comparison of two quantities. So trigonometric ratios means what? The ratio is involving the sides of the angles, right angles, sides of the right angle triangle. Remember, in this triangle ABC, hypotenuse always largest side. Hypotenuse always largest side of the remaining two sides. Here BC side is always largest to the AB side and again AC side. Once again I remember here this is the angle 90 degrees exactly opposite to the BC side. This side is called hypotenuse and AB side, this is adjacent side, and this theta is exactly opposite to the AC side. This treat as opposite side. So now when the angle is theta here, this is treat as when the sign is derived from the abbreviated value sine of the angle theta, sine of the angle theta, cos, cosine of the angle theta, tan, tangent of the angle theta, cosecant, cosec means treat as this one, cosecant of the angle theta. Sec means what? Secant of the angle theta. Cot, cotangent of the angle theta. Remember, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios abbreviated from the 6 trigonometric values. Sine treat as sine of the angle, cos, cosine, tan, tangent of the angle, cosec, cosecant of the angle, secant, sec, secant of the angle, cot, cotangent of the angle. So now according to the right angle triangle, we are finding the all 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta. Remember, here sin theta means sin is not separate and theta is not separate, and remember, sin into theta, it is not equal to sin theta. Sin into theta, it is not the product. Sin theta is a one single function. Sin theta is equal to, according to right angle triangle, first you have to take opposite side. Opposite side. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. 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 Which is equal to, what is opposite side? AC divided by hypotenuse side value, how much? This is BC. Next, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, next one, adjacent side divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, which is equal to, adjacent side is equal to AB divided by hypotenuse value, how much? BC. Next, trigonometry ratio, tan theta. Tan theta, which is equal to opposite side by the ratio of opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Adjacent side, which is equal to opposite side value, how much? AC divided by adjacent side value, AB. These are the three trigonometric ratios, and rest of three trigonometric ratios are, remaining three trigonometric ratios are, these are the three value trigonometric ratios are reciprocal of the remaining three trigonometric ratios. These three, cosecant, secant, cot, these three trigonometric ratios are reciprocal of the first three, sine, cos, tan trigonometric ratios. So next, find out the cosecant. Cosecant theta, which is equal to, cosecant theta means what? Reciprocal of sine theta. You can write as hypotenuse by opposite side. Opposite side, which is equal to BC by AC. BC by AC. Next value, secant theta. Secant theta, which is equal to, secant theta means what? Which is the reciprocal of cos theta. So changing the, reverse the fraction, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Adjacent side, which is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. Now, cot theta. Generally, what we call this one? Cotangent of theta. And this one, secant theta, cosecant theta, cot theta, cotangent of theta. So, cot theta means what? Which is takes as reciprocal of tan theta. Adjacent side upon opposite side, which is equal to AB upon AC. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Once again, I repeat: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. These are the three trigonometric ratios are reciprocals of the remaining three: cosecant, secant, and again cot theta. We have formulas also. So now the entire all 6 trigonometric ratios, according to the trigonometric definition, what we discussed in this class, trigonometry, it is a branch of mathematics. It deals with the measurement of 3 sides and again 3 angles. These are the 3 sides: opposite side, hypotenuse, and again adjacent side. And also deals with 3 angles. This is 90 degrees, and remaining are another two angles. 90 actually in the every triangle has how many degrees? 180 degrees. Already 90 degrees over. Rest of two angles must be taken into, maybe this is 80, this is 10, or maybe this is 60 or this is 10, this is 40, remaining angle is 40. Total throughout angle, right angle triangle, one angle must be 90 degrees, rest of two are 90 degrees. It will be divided into two parts. So now the total trigonometry deals with the measurement of three sides of the triangle or three angles, measurement of three angles. So now remember, these are the very important six trigonometric ratios. Sin theta means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. How to write opposite side here? When theta is present here, this is the angle. This up exactly opposite to the side. This side is nothing but opposite side. I want hypotenuse. Hypotenuse how to get? Whenever 90 degrees is present, that exact angle to the opposite side of the side. This side is treated as hypotenuse. And again, adjacent side of theta, this base AB side treat as, when theta is present here, adjacent side to the angle, adjacent next to the angle, that is adjacent side of the triangle. So now these are the formulas: sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan theta opposite side by adjacent side, cosecant theta hypotenuse by opposite side, secant theta hypotenuse by adjacent side, cot theta adjacent side of opposite side. These three, remember these three trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant and cot theta are the reciprocal of the first three trigonometric ratios. You can easily remember these six trigonometric ratios. Here we have one small trick to remember this one. O. Second one, A. To easily recognize the six trigonometric ratios, remember O. Second one is A. This one I am taking. What is the first trigonometric ratio? Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to, what is the opposite side first letter? O. In the denominator, hypotenuse first letter is H. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. You can write as this one. Opposite side by hypotenuse. That is sin theta. Next one, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent side first letter is A. Denominator, hypotenuse value is H first letter. So it is the ratio of adjacent side and again hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now I want to get tan theta. Tan theta means what? Neglect hypotenuse part. Hypotenuse cancel. You will get opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So these are the first three trigonometric ratios. Using these three conditions, we can find out rest of the three trigonometric ratios like cosecant theta, secant theta, and again cot theta. So next, we have some formulas. Relationship between trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, which is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Already I discussed clearly. Sin theta is equal to, sin theta is nothing but reciprocal of this one, and also cosecant is also a reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. You can write as sin theta cross multiplication, sin theta into cosecant theta, sin theta into cosecant theta, which is equal to 1. Second, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, 1 by cosecant theta, or secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Clearly you can write cross multiplication these two values, cos theta into secant theta, which is equal to 1. Next, third formula, tan theta, which is equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. By taking this one, cross multiply these two, tan theta into cot theta, which is equal to 1. And also one more thing here important, tan theta is equal to, tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. See, in the first two trigonometrics we discussed sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Based on this one, we have to find out tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta.